Butts. Butts. Ah, butts. That was an interesting noise. You okay? We ready to go? You
Yeah.
broken?
We're ready.
We've been broken for a while.
Ready, everyone?
Ready.
Ready.
Yeah. Let's do it.
What was the code for the heart that the other team taught us last time?
Oh, it was like,
It was like
Alt.
Alt numpad 4 or something.
I don't know. I don't
Alt
have
three.
a numpad.
Alt
Alt 3?
Alt numpad 3.
Oh yes.
Oh shit. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit this. There we go.
Okay. I was like, what do you mean? Do we have to reset?
No, I hit the escape key and it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Player already in group. What the?
I love how it says no tank, no healer, low team damage. Does it say that for anyone else?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I just want to make sure that I'm not going crazy. I've taken a lot of medication today, so I want to make sure.
We are strong.
I mean, you might still be going crazy, but it says that.
Maybe. Okay.
I can neither confirm nor deny.
Alright, are we
Whoa,
gonna push
skin
mid or are
turned
we gonna
off?
push right?
No, skins are not turned off.
Yeah, that's how it's
Well,
been
this
for
is
the
not a
past
scrim
while.
code.
Yeah.
No, the scrim
Oh.
code, they got rid of the scrim code because it was fucked up on PC.
Let's just go mid.
Mid? Okay.
3, 2, 1.
170 latency. This is gonna be fun.
Capture the objective.
123. That's doable.
160.
They went
They're
right.
right, they're right.
There's a
Okay.
They're right, they're right. Oh, fuck. Alright. Watch
Back
Reaper
up,
on the
back up,
right.
behind the bridge.
Backing up, backing up.
Going back on purple.
Reaper behind, Reaper behind.
On Reaper, on Reaper.
On Fitz, on Fitz.
Down.
Reaper's low, Reaper's down.
Sleeping?
Backing up, backing up.
Ryan.
Ryan, oh, you're purple, you're purple. We're down, Ryan. Backing up, backing
Alright, we're
up.
down a lot. Yeah. See if we can get out of there.
Alright, just retreat. Get out.
Yeah, getting out. That junk was low. Alright.
It's okay. Back all the way out.
Right now.
As soon as Kraz is back, we'll push in with Cole.
Alright, cross.
Push the Ryan hard.
Alright.
Go 3.
Go, 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 Ryan, on Ryan, on Ryan, on Ryan, Ryan. Push, 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 Ryan, 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 left, left, left.
He's stuck, he's stuck.
He's down.
Watch it, tire.
I'm down. You're down 3.
Zara. Oh,
Right behind.
That's okay.
Perseverance is the key.
I'm gonna switch to John.
No shield.
The window for next
God
push.
bless. Was that a sneeze?
that's me
Sounded like
coughing.
it.
Oh, okay. You're good.
Don't die, Feds. We need you.
You want to push right? Top right?
Yeah, let's go.
We've got a Junkrat now, so we might as well poke
Yeah.
them.
Junk knows we're up here.
So we don't drop, we just poke.
Junk's
Yep.
right here.
Punish this Junk.
He jumped down. He's underneath us.
Okay, everybody not rat.
Behind
Drop.
us.
Drop with Kraz.
Pushing up. Swinging Zara.
Junker's behind you guys, Junker's behind.
Oh, shit. This. Ryan behind. Fuck.
Verana's down.
I'm backing up. Alright.
I've got Blizz for next fight.
Alright, I'm just gonna get out.
Give me your best shot. My ultimate is charging.
Oh, God.
I got you.
Greetings. Barriers on you.
We gotta contest the point,
Yeah.
so go ahead and just
Yeah.
move in on it.
I almost have grab. I have grab.
I'm gonna push him with this.
Behind, watch Reaper.
Oh, watch it, tire.
Oh, this Ryan. He's by himself. Get him, get him, get him. He's low, he's low, he's low.
The rat's on the high ground where we were.
I'm backing up. Oh, that Reaper got me.
Ah, shit.
That's okay.
Team kill. First round lost. Score 0-1.
Indeed.
What was their other DPS? Reaper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if we could outrange them and like get at them before we
I mean,
reach them.
May is good against Reaper.
The rat is the problem.
Curry, yeah.
I'm allowed to talk in this map. If the doors haven't opened. Go higher damage output than May. That's what's killing you right now, is they have way more damage.
You're not supposed to talk.
Doors aren't open, I can talk. That's what the rules say.
All
There's
right.
a what? Oh,
Doors aren't open.
All right.
oh, okay.
Now he be quiet.
I like the sim pick.
Let's push right.
I was
Go
just
right.
confused.
They're gonna try to boop.
Yes.
Go all the way. Just rotate. We're gonna come in on them.
Okay.
All right, get this line. I'm stopped.
I went far too deep.
don't
It's
take
okay.
me.
It's okay. It's okay. I went too deep. It's my bad. It's my bad. Don't worry. I'm backing up.
Back him up. Back him up to the car wash.
Come on. Come in. Come in, Ryan. Yeah. Come
There you
in.
go.
Oh, I just got my mech back. Fuck.
Zarya's really low.
We
Zarya's
don't have
dead.
anything though.
It's okay.
I'll come back right now. I'll come back.
Yeah, Cross, come back.
Oh, they're all there.
Yeah, they are.
Rotate. Go ahead and just come on down to the
Here's
point
point.
now.
Coming to point.
Not yet.
Are they? Where did they go? Oh.
They're in the room behind us.
Okay.
We got
Reaper's
the point
down.
for free.
I'm on Ana. Ana.
Ryan.
I got pinned.
On Zarya.
I'm out
Zarya.
of mech.
Junkrat.
I'm junk.
I'm ulting.
I'm out of
In
mech.
the corner.
Ana's left. Watch it.
On his low.
Nice.
All right. Junk. He's the one.
Oh, the Ryan's there. The team's there.
Make them come through. Make them come
Alright.
through.
I'm dead.
Ooh, good pick. Good pick.
Good pick.
Careful. We have one healer. Play it safe.
Yeah, just make
They're
them
pushing
come
on me
through.
left.
I'm low on P.
It's okay. Coming. Good one. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, the Ryan's on left.
Thank you.
They have a Pharah now.
I'm out of juice. I'm out of juice.
Alright, it's right.
Watch,
I'm
watch
back
yourself.
right now.
Fair
safe,
instead
play safe,
of
play safe.
Reaper or Junkrat. Or
Hopefully they have the double damage. Yeah, they've got both spams.
I'm backed off.
Alright.
Move all to the point. Go
We're
ahead and
down
shoot
a
to
tank.
the point.
On point.
Use this little room to rotate around.
Damn it.
I'm with you, Pac. Oh, man. Whoa! I got booped back up and out. So,
Okay, full reset.
Yeah.
Jump out if you can,
Yeah, we
or
can get
die.
out of there.
Fitch, you want to switch
Perfect.
to Ash for the farm?
Oh, I'm lagging pretty bad. I'll do Soldier.
Soldier works too.
I can window them and push them out of here.
I almost have bomb.
All right, let's push in.
Ooh, good window.
Ryan's right there in the corner.
Ryan's low. I have bomb. I'm trapped. The Ana's low. She's down. Ooh, good imp. Very good imp. Junk's low. Junk. He's in the corner. Junk's down.
He got out to
Let's
the
take
help.
point.
Where's that?
Push the
Don't
point.
put
Push the
it
point.
on
point.
Everybody on
Yeah.
point. Just stay close to the wall so she can't boop you.
I don't know where she went.
She might have retreated.
Okay, let's push him a little bit.
Coming up.
Pac, come back.
Yeah, she's in there with them.
Come back.
They're pushing
Just wanted
right.
to heal you.
Slept. Ooh, I'm flying back on point. Ooh.
Nice.
Good pick.
Oh, I'm dead to the Junkrat.
Focus
Nice,
Zarya.
back.
Focus Zarya.
Nice.
Mora's in the hut.
Ryan on
Moira's
point.
with me.
Ryan on point.
Moira's low.
With Ana.
The orb got
Who's
me.
back?
Oh, that Junk's low. Junk's super low. Fuck, I can't get him.
We've got 99. Just
Yeah,
retreat.
I'm backing up.
You purple monkey.
They're off Farah again.
They probably have all their ults. I don't think they pop one.
No, they
Minus Reaper. Reaper's on the left here. With
they
they
the
did
grab.
probably they probably don't have grav, and they
They just
definitely don't
they
have-
used
yeah they
I'm
used
out of
grab.
feet.
They used
I have hold.
Everybody
I'm
push
pushing
left.
out.
Everybody push in left.
Cold,
I'm
you have
down.
cold? Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I gotta do it now. You guys roll low.
Get this Reaper. Get the Reaper. Just ignore the other side.
you're down a healer.
Move to the point. Move to the point. Make them come to us.
You've no
get
healers.
the run, get the run, get the run.
Yep, no healers.
Moira's down. I'm touching. I'm here. I'm here.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Almost back.
I got pushed off real hard. It's okay.
That's a good effort. Okay, so in a 99, where you're stalling the 99, don't use ults ever. Unless it's 99 to 99, because you're making your retake way harder than it needs to be.
Okay.
Okay.
So like we were at 99 and we primaled, we tired, I think we cold, and that was already when we were down like 3 people. Like just hold that shit for the next fight.
Yeah.
Hey, Pac, how are you feeling about Pharah?
I can kick that junk's ass if you let me play Pharah.
Yeah, I'm gonna Mercy, you're gonna Pharah, and we're just gonna take that junk out of this equation.
That junk is really pretty decent.
Yeah.
Before you
So-
guys are switching, you both have placed on the.
Yep.
Okay, and you guys are within
Yeah, I'm on all
SR.
3.
Okay.
I'm at like 24 something right now. Let's see.
Okay.
I'm at 2386 right now.
Okay.
So then we need to swap them.
And this
on
is your
the-
highest account for that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just want to make sure. Okay.
Highest one at the level. Like I have an account that's 53 that's higher, but it's 53.
Yeah, but it's not placed. Like it's not level 75, so that's okay.
Right.
So Dorado, you can run pharmacy basically every single point. Except third, you maybe want to swatch it to a junk or something, but otherwise you'll be fine.
Also, I was muted on stream. All right, I fixed it. Sorry.
You're good.
And
no, my-
then Diva,
So we're switching
Reinhardt.
Fitz and Pac, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hawk is just a way better for
If they keep with that junk, which they may do because he has a junk icon there, so it may be a junk one track. I don't know how it's gonna feel to play Pharah at a lower latency though.
You'll be fine.
And if we
So-
have to, Pac, I can switch to Lucia and you can switch to one of
Yep.
the other DPS.
On attack, I'm gonna play McCree, and on defense, I'm gonna play Junk.
Maybe defense go soldier.
Soldier, okay. That
Yeah,
sounds
I know
good.
you're comfortable on him.
Yeah.
And since they haven't been running the Mercy, you can do but fine with that.
Okay.
If absolutely necessary, CKI can also swap to you to get the fire down and then back to Pac as we need. So
Oh, one sec. I gotta find. What's the key to toggle your Discord mute?
You have to set up the keybind for it.
Yeah.
Just if you don't have mouse 3 hooked to anything, just put on mouse 3.
I have that on my push to talk. Let me see if I can do keybind. Sorry, you
I
guys.
has mine to scroll wheel.
I can't do that. That's my jump.
Freak.
What are you, Lucia?
All right, are we ready?
ready.
I think we're
Ready. Ooh, ooh.
Oh
So-
God.
Ooh, ooh.
That was like a dying cat. Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Because I will mostly be with Pac, Salty or Cause, one of you will probably have to call targets more.
Okay.
Just because I won't have the full vantage point like it was as Sim.
I can
Yeah,
do.
he's just gonna be focusing on.
Yeah,
Pac.
just Salty, whoever you're left clicking on, shout that name.
Got it. Can do. Can do.
Can do. All right, we got this. I'm gonna kick their butt. Just right out.
Get those stretches in. Oh,
I should have stretched before this. I think that's my problem.
Do the little arm circle thingies.
Yeah. Dude, when I got my vaccine, I was sitting there watching all these old ladies like swing their arms around. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? And then
Vaccine flows through their body easier that way.
Yeah.
I guess. And then I got in
That
the car,
vaccine
and my
is
mom
one.
was like, make sure you massage your arm and move it. I'm like, why? And she's like, your arm's gonna be sore. And I
What's
was like,
what's the other team's SR? They're close to us, right?
I mean,
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
Yeah, their
They're all,
awareness
like,
was
gold.
right at about mid silver.
And what's our SR? That junk's not mid silver.
I don't
It's
know what
1700.
that is.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
I think the skin is what's making me fucked up. I gotta switch.
Wait, our SR is 1600.
Like 1700.
Okay.
Together we are strong.
We're in the
my
few
gosh.
true tier 1 teams.
I've not played Farah in a while, guys. It's been like 2 hours. So I'm impressed.
You'll be fine.
Rusty. Fuck.
come on, you
You're
guys
welcome, Socks.
someone has to channel Milk to get MVP.
I got milk.
If you don't get MVP, Puck, then you've let us down. You've not done
I'm
the
doing it
job.
for milk. I'm doing this for milk.
And then I'm gonna tell Milk, and I'm gonna berate her until she cries, and you don't want
I'm
that
gonna get
happening.
shut
We're gonna
down
make a
so
full-on
hard.
announcement. Like, we're gonna full-on, like, publicly shame you.
If you don't do well, I cut
Oh,
Milk from the
there's
team.
a junk front.
Do it for milk.
Mid. Watch your traps. Oh,
Yeah.
there's a trap right here.
He's gonna be on the high ground left, probably.
They have a hog. Ryan.
They're all on the high ground bridge, straight across. You back? You're alone.
On this hog, on this hog, on this hog.
I'm back.
Back up, back off hog, back off hog.
Hog,
Oh,
hog,
never mind,
hog, hog.
let's get him. Hog, 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 hog.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, I got boot back.
Rotated.
Alright.
Junk's right.
Junk on
just
right,
low.
junk on right, careful. Oh,
Junk's one. Junk's
on.
dead.
alright, junk's down. Get this Ryan, get this Ryan, get this Ryan, get this Ryan. He's low, he's low, he's low.
Oh, he's low, he's low.
Melt his
low, low.
fucking shield. Get that lamp, 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 lamp. Get this Ryan still.
Healing for a minute. Back with Puck.
Ryan's behind us, Ryan's on point, Ryan's on point. He's low, he's by himself.
He's on me.
Ryan's one.
That-
Stuff. Ryan's down.
My ultimate is charged.
Mercy got her res off.
I'm down.
Alright, that's right. Oh,
Nice.
good pick. Alright,
Soldier got me, but I got the mark.
soldier still mid. I think there's someone behind us too. Is there Bap? Bap on point, Bap on point.
Yeah.
Bap's down.
I am on fire.
Soldier still mid.
No.
No!
these jet.
Backing up, backing up, backing up. Ryan's low, but don't engage him. Back up, back up.
You
There,
guys are
monkey
good.
now,
Engage.
monkey now.
Coming back.
I didn't think we
Oh
had.
no.
All right, full reset now.
They had like 4 there. Sorry, I didn't feel comfortable engaging
Yeah.
that.
Damn it.
This fight is not over.
I have grab. What they pop
They
Visor.
pop,
Okay.
visor.
and they
You've
pop.
got grab window. Just
Yeah.
use that.
All right. Let's
Well,
push
Puck,
left.
you got away from me.
Look, yeah.
Are we all here? Okay.
Coming.
Oh, you meant that.
Bap is top with whoever else.
Junk is top.
Ryan's on top.
Let's just push on. Junk's in front.
Go to the
Junk's
point.
in front.
Push into the
Oh
point.
fuck! Behind. Yep.
Damn it.
That's right. Did not see anyone behind us.
They dropped down.
Yeah. I feel like we were hesitating too much. We just gotta
This
go.
fight is not over.
Hold on. Puck, you gotta be a little more careful. We're going straight with speed through the boost to the
Okay.
payload.
All right.
Come over to the right side. Speeding now.
They're
Go.
top. They're
Go
top.
straight
They're
to
top.
the
Payload.
Yeah, just
Oh,
go.
I got
Ignore-
trapped. I got trapped. They're still behind. I'm down.
Keep moving through.
I'm
Make
on the
them
payload.
drop.
I'm on payload.
Oh, just behind. I'm gonna die. They're all still waiting on the high ground behind when you push through.
My will is 60 seconds remaining.
I'm on my way.
You guys have got this.
Get the
Soldier?
Rhine. Get the
Where's the
Rhine.
Barriers on you. Go.
Left, CK. Left. Behind you. Behind you.
Ryan's
There's a
dead.
soldier.
Where?
He's behind you.
Oh, I see
He's
him.
like.
I see him.
I'm
The Junk's at the choke.
Oh my god, I ran out of desk space.
I
Okay.
got
Okay, hold on. I'm switching.
Junk's back here.
He's behind. Where?
Go,
Junk's
you
in the
guys
building
push
in the
him a bit.
church.
Oh. Oh, sorry. I thought you were behind.
He's going. I think he's going high. I'll meet him.
I'm gonna push up a little bit. Winston's top 2.
Thank Messi.
I don't know why I took to that face and did not. Behind Junk.
Yeah,
Junk's
Junk.
behind.
Yeah.
I've almost got Shatter.
Monkey on her back line. I'm backing up.
I'm purple. I think I died.
Go back around fence.
Oh, fuck. Alright, we
Oh,
lost.
Yeah, yeah.
Damn it.
Backing up.
Sorry.
I thought they were all pushing
Where are you,
behind him.
Fitz?
I
Where were
went
you?
back to up cross.
Oh.
And then he got booped.
Без труда не вычешешь и рыбку из труда.
Yeah, when you guys are pushing him.
Alright, I know this is not probably a good idea, but
Hawk, where are you? Oh, I see you.
Behind him.